Ever wonder how a simple click can turn into big bucks? In this video, I'm going to reveal simple digital marketing strategies and tactics and how any level of entrepreneur can easily increase their sales to $100,000 a month by using them. First, let's break down digital versus traditional marketing. Digital marketing is basically anything online like websites and social media. Traditional marketing is everything old school like TV, radio, and billboards. Digital marketing is better than traditional marketing because we can access its massive online crowd of billions of people. However, instead of targeting everyone, you're sniping the perfect audience. Now, let's talk about the budget. Digital marketing won't break the bank like a Times Square ad. It's all about precision. Save your money. Focus on potential buyers. It's the art of executing your marketing moves. Digital marketing's measurements are also easier to track. This usually includes real-time tracking, which lets you make quick adjustments compared to waiting months for magazine results. Digital marketing is the flash of the advertising world. Write an ad, and then boom, it's online in minutes, and you can't measure clicks on a magazine. At best, you'll get readers to fill out a form or visit your website, circling back to the wonderful world of online marketing. So, choosing digital marketing channels has its benefits, but traditional marketing still works. However, before you choose your marketing, take a step back to explore fundamentals and consumer psychology in both realms. Master these principles, then apply them across all the channels you choose for your marketing efforts. Now, let's level up your digital marketing by understanding strategies and tactics and when to implement them. Think of strategy as the big picture, the cornerstone shaping all of your marketing moves. Nail this, and the rest will fall into place. But mess it up, and nothing will click. In digital marketing, no matter how many different approaches there are, it boils down to 4 timeless principles, a strong foundation. Master these principles, and you've cracked the code for successful marketing now and in the future. All right, so the 4 M's of marketing are model, market, message, and media. The model includes everything about your business, your location, products, services, pricing, and delivery to the market. It's crucial to shape your business around what the market loves, finds profitable, and craves. Don't build a business you hate. Craft your business to be both enjoyable, profitable, and in sync with market demands. Now let's talk about the market. These are the consumers your business must help. Instead of targeting everyone, focus sharply on the people who benefit most from your product or service and whom you enjoy serving. They are your ideal customer avatar. Create an in-depth profile with demographics like age, gender, occupation, and other key details. This precision ensures your targeting hits the bullseye. Next, the fun part, your message, the key to connecting with your ideal audience. Address their pain points directly by showcasing how your business uniquely solves them. Share powerful stories of satisfied customers and client results. Collect testimonials and run case studies to prove your expertise. Crafting effective messages requires understanding your market. Immerse yourself in market research. Chat with your customers and align your message with what resonates with them. The magic happens when your message perfectly aligns with who they are and what they need. The 4th pillar is media. This is where you implement your marketing through your chosen channels. Many businesses get this backwards by jumping onto platforms like TikTok or Snapchat first, without solidifying their message, understanding their market, or shaping their business model. Doing things right means starting with your business model and moving through the market and message. Then, by the time you reach the media, your choices should be crystal clear. You know exactly where your target audience is active online and want to focus your efforts there. This strategy saves you time and money by preventing you from spreading yourself too thin across channels that won't yield the results you're looking for. Are you getting valuable information? If so, like this video and subscribe to our channel to get first access to the best digital marketing tips and tools on the market. Now, back to the video. So, that was a 4M strategy. The high-level decision-making, business model, target marketing, messages, and media choices. Tactics, on the other hand, are how you execute these decisions. Think about details and actionable steps. What and how you'll put things into practice. Strategy is the big picture. Tactics are the steps. For instance, strategy asks which social media platforms to use, while tactics focus on specifics like posting frequency and content type. Now let's get into the different digital marketing financial approaches businesses use to make an impact online. Have you seen Apple's Get a Mac ad that fed off the long-standing Mac versus PC beef? Most of the popular campaigns you've seen are paid promotions. The definition is in the name. Paid marketing involves paying networks to boost and distribute your content to a wider audience. Key players like Facebook and Google Ads dominate this space. However, if you're working with limited funds, an organic approach can still be very effective. Organic marketing means putting out content without paying to promote it. FNBO has perfected organic marketing with their 31 Days of Joy campaign, where they encourage followers to like and share their posts for a chance to win prizes. Organic content lands in the newsfeed of your followers, while paid marketing reaches specific people you choose through targeting. Pros and cons aside, organic is essentially free but has limited reach, while paid costs money but offers rapid, extensive reach. Your choice depends on balancing time, money, and the pace of desired results. As you've seen, there are limitless campaign ideas, but how do you choose your campaign goal? What's more important, quick sales or lasting impressions? I'll explain how marketers find the perfect balance between direct response and brand awareness. Direct response marketing is all about scoring immediate, tangible wins. Leads, sales, phone calls, or signups. It's like judging the success of a Facebook ad by the leads it generates or monitoring email conversions. On the flip side, brand awareness marketing takes a long view, building trust, authority, and your brand's reputation. While direct response focuses on concrete outcomes like leads and sales, brand awareness deals with intangible measurements like trust and authority. A successful business needs both strategies, but it's crucial to avoid a common marketing misstep: expecting direct response results from brand awareness campaigns. It's like expecting a cake but ending up with muffins or bread because you used the wrong recipe. Choosing the right strategy is the key to marketing success. Lastly, understanding the contrast between search and discovery marketing is vital to digital marketing. The key differentiator lies in intent, the reason behind a user's presence on the specific platform. In search marketing, shown by search engines like YouTube and Google, users arrive with a purpose, seeking an answer, solutions, or products. Here, strategies like SEO and Google Ads prove effective. On the flip side, discovery marketing on platforms like Facebook and Instagram caters to a more casual audience. While some users may have intent, it's often a leisurely browse rather than a direct purchase quest. This demands a creative and entertaining approach to captivate and keep their interest. Both search and discovery marketing are crucial for a successful business. Much like direct response and brand awareness marketing, the key lies in deploying the right strategy at the right time and place. If you found this video helpful, give that subscribe button a little love tap and tell YouTube, hey, I want more marketing tips like this. We're building a community of marketers, and you're invited. Huge thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope you use this video to level up your marketing. Be sure to click here to watch our latest video.